Welcome to RVU, an RV insider podcast where I will interview industry experts, influencers, and icons. So class is in session as we discuss all things RV. I am your host, Angie Morrell, and today roll call is with Jeff Sather, president of Freightliner Custom Chassis.
Hi, Angie. How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing? Thanks so much for joining me today.
My pleasure.
Jeff feels like an old friend, so I'm glad to have him here to talk about all the things that are happening in the RV industry.
Yep, happy to do it.
All right.
Glad to be here.
Well, we're going to make this kind of fun. It'll be easy. I'm just going to do a fast 5 pop quiz, okay? But you don't have to go that fast.
Okay.
Just I'll ask you 5 questions. So it's not going to be forever.
All right, so I can take my time.
That's right.
Okay, all right, good.
So, all right. So let's go ahead and get started. What are you most excited for consumers to see in the 2024 lineup for Freightliner Custom Chassis?
So there's a couple of things that I'm really excited about, and it's maybe not necessarily to see because a lot of our product is underneath the house.
That's right. It's the foundation
of these beautiful coaches. So we really focus in a lot on service and support for our customers. So if you recall last year, we offered and put out a brand new extended warranty, 5 years, 500,000 miles. So the best in the industry.
Quick editor's note, the warranty is a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty.
Again, it's to take care of that customer. So this year, what we've come out with is a new app. And you can do it on your phone. And what you do is you go in and you put in your serial number of your coach and it'll help keep track for you, the consumer, of what maintenance you need to do on that coach and when you need to do it. And it'll actually send you reminders.
It will give me a little, I love an
Absolutely.
alert.
So you can just be wherever you are in the country, exploring the parks or whatever you're doing. And when it's time for a service, it'll pop up and say, here's your service reminder. These are the things that you need to do. And of course, you as a consumer can decide when you want to have that done, but you can go in and schedule that service right from the app. So
wow.
We're trying to make it super easy for the consumer to enjoy their coach and not have to worry about service, maintenance, support, warranty. Just give them that comfort that we're there for them.
That is huge. I'm excited to hear that because that is one of the things with an RV. It's different than your car or your house. You combine the two of them together, so you've got twice as many things that you've got to maintain.
Yeah.
So you're helping us out with the chassis side of things with an app. I need that reminder. You can ask my dentist.
Yeah.
They're like, Angie, do you want us to write it on a card? I'm like, no, just keep sending me those little texts you
That's
keep
right.
sending me. So that's really cool.
Yeah.
So how long has that been? How long have you been working on that feature to bring it
So it's been under development for about 1.5 years or so, and it's just recently come out. So it is.
Are consumers, do you have some in the field using it right now, or is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it is out. It is available right now. So if somebody has our 24/7 app, and you can download that from Freightliner 24/7. Just go on whatever your phone
register
is,
their
and
coach.
you pull in the app, and then you just put in your serial number of the coach, your last 6 digits of the VIN. And from there, you're off and running. And so you may have to put in, when was the last time you did your oil filter or whatever. But after you've got it set up, it'll just give you the reminders from that point forward.
Well, that is a game changer. Yeah. That's very exciting.
Yeah, something a little different than perhaps you might think about, we've got this new steering or this new suspension or whatever. This is really about taking care of that customer after they've bought the coach.
Right. And it's part of the whole, you want to make sure you're taking care of the foundation, and that's going to keep you on your regular service like you should be. And I love that. Great. Yeah. So I know we just talked about 24, but I got to ask, will there be any new dramatic changes, trends that you're seeing for 2025?
Yes.
Okay.
But I can't give away all of our trade secrets, as you might know.
Okay, so give me some
But
carrots.
let me give you some directional things. So there's 2 items to be looking for coming up. We at Freightliner always focus on our ride and handling. So at FCCC, Freightliner Custom Chassis, we have over 150 engineers that are dedicated to our products and specifically the RV. And so we are always looking for different suspensions and ways to make that coach ride smoother, straighter, more comfortable for the owner down the road. So I would be looking for things like that coming in the future.
Okay.
Also, let's talk a little bit about safety features.
Oh, I love that because we want to have you know, I always say safety features are what's going to keep you on the road longer.
Yeah.
That's in this journey when people are, you know, saving a lifetime for an RV, you want to be able to enjoy it for a long time.
And let's face it, these are big rigs driving down the road on sometimes very narrow roads. And it's nice to have those safety features that help you keep that coach centered, help you from crashing into something. So we also are working on some safety features that there's quite a bit out there already on a lot of these coaches as options you can get, but there's some things that are still missing that we are working on.
So new to the market kind of thing.
Yes, more enhancements coming.
Okay.
So and it's obviously important. You can get most of these features on most cars you buy today come standard with it, and we think all the coaches should come standard with that stuff too.
Well, I think that's exciting. I always, you know, they are, when I'm driving a big 45-foot coach, I'm grateful for all the little extra helps, you know, whether it's a steering help or just the display, being able to see everything.
Yep.
You know, that's a big part about keeping you safe and knowing what's surrounding you as you're driving down the road. So
yeah, there's some more room for us to grow in that area.
I'm excited.
Sure.
Very good. I like that. So how is Freightliner handling the dynamic RV market right now with keeping pricing in check for the consumer? It's an interesting time.
It's actually very interesting. We've gone through a kind of an unprecedented time of inflation, or at least something that we haven't seen perhaps since the 80s, where we saw super high inflation. And so that we've experienced the last couple of years. It's slowed down. So we have
thank goodness.
Thank goodness. It has slowed down, but it's not reversing yet. I mean, we've seen the costs stop the climb.
Right.
So they're, I'll say, stabilizing.
Right.
There are some indices on certain metals and precious metals and material that go into the coaches that we are seeing some decline, but that's not translating yet into what we buy from our suppliers. So FCCC, one of our benefits is that we're part of Daimler Trucks North America, one of the largest truck manufacturers in all of North America, and part of Daimler Trucks globally, largest truck manufacturer in the world. So we have pretty good buying power. We have a good supply base. So we do our best, and we leverage that at Freightliner Custom Chassis to keep the costs in check as best we can. But I think really when I look at it now, because the costs are what they are, they just keep going up. We're now trying to shift our focus at FCCC to make sure we're providing a better value proposition for the customer. So things like this app, things like adding warranty, you know, so yeah, you may pay a little bit more for your coach, but what can we do to help? We'll give you 5 years, you know, 100,000-mile warranty, and now we'll help you get the service that you need. And we're trying to provide other items that are valuable to the customer besides just price, so they have a whole value proposition when they buy a vehicle that's on our chassis.
Well, I think that's a big deal, just because we did see this huge increase in prices kind of across the industry, and really across almost everything. You go to the grocery store, things don't cost the same now either. No. And we typically don't see the prices really come down in big items like that. So adding value to those is going to be huge for the consumer. And just a little plug, I did a video at Freightliner. Did a full factory tour video, and it's really amazing to see the tools that they use. There's just so much that goes into your chassis, and I don't think most people realize that is the most important item that you really need to consider when you're buying a coach, is what chassis is it sitting on. And so if you want more information, make sure you go and check out my Freightliner factory tour video. It's long.
It's long. You need some popcorn, but it is actually amazing. And I have customers come through, and every day we open up our factory for customer tours, and they might come in for a half an hour and go through the factory, and we'll point out the production lines and how we build the RVs and such. But it is nothing like your video. Your video went through every part, actually places in our factory that no no tour will ever take somebody to.
Which, so grateful for that.
Yeah, maybe 20 minutes of your video will cover what they would get in a in-person tour. The other, call it hour and a half, is all the behind the scenes stuff that makes up FCCC. So it's more than a factory tour. It's an overview of our business.
Yeah.
And
it was really, really interesting.
Very special.
Great memory.
Thank you.
Yes, I'll always love that time that we had. Ready to push your Class B van to new extremes? Bring it to National Indoor RV Centers for expert upfitting. From expanded storage and larger fuel tanks to enhanced sleeping quarters and brilliant LED lighting, NIRVC will turn your ordinary Class B into the ultimate road warrior. Visit nirvc.com/adventurevans today to schedule a free consultation. Tire blowouts can be catastrophic. That's why more and more RVers are installing RettroBand, a revolutionary wheel enhancement specifically designed for RVs. Gone are the days of worrying about a blown tire putting you and your RV at risk. RettroBand looks almost like a donut that sits inside the tire. In the event that tire bursts or loses a lot of air, the ring prevents the tire rim from making contact with the ground, allowing you to maintain control of the vehicle and get to a safe space. Learn more about getting peace of mind protection at RettroBand.com.
When it comes to RV living, there's no better place to go than National Indoor RV Centers. With 6 locations nationwide, NIRVC provides an all-around better experience for buying and selling luxury RVs, as well as service, storage, paint and bodywork, and more. Learn more about how NIRVC simplifies RV ownership at nirvc.com.
So let's talk about the future of the motorhome industry. What does it look like from your perspective?
Yeah, so right now, obviously, we're facing a little bit of a slowdown in the market coming after COVID. And there's some uncertainty, with the interest rates and what's happening there. That's, I think, is going to stabilize, and we'll get back to a different level, a new normal level, if I can say those new normal words. I mean, it's so overused nowadays, but I think we will absolutely get back there. And as I mentioned earlier, I think we're going to see some continued shift for the customer's sake, for their benefit, in making sure that they have a good ownership experience for that life of that coach, right? Whether it's the first 5 years under warranty, being able to maintain that, get service, get support from dealers like yourselves, or from the manufacturer like us, or the RV OEM manufacturers, the house builders. I think that's really going to become important, because these vehicles, let's face it, they are a pretty big investment for somebody.
Huge investment.
And it needs to work, and it needs to give them that lifestyle that fulfill those dreams.
Right.
It really does. And so I see the industry still working on that. We need to work on that as an industry. We need to do better for the customers. And so I see us shifting that way a little bit. As far as we already talked a little bit about the product, for sure, we're always going to see, at least for us, we're going to see things that are easier to drive, safer to drive, more features in it. And there's always
themselves.
Okay, yeah, we'll talk about autonomous driving at maybe some future video.
See, he has
Hit me up in 5 years, and we can talk about
those.
Those.
Actually a little scary for me to even think about
Yeah, could you imagine just taking a siesta in the back of the coach in a bed and having it drive itself? Maybe someday, but I don't know about that.
Yeah, not even for a minute.
Yeah, it make me nervous too.
I can barely Nope, you don't have to go there anytime soon.
Yeah, but there is different technologies coming out from powertrains. I mean, there's a big, throughout the industry, be it the commercial vehicle or the automotive industry, you hear about electric, right? And for sure, we produce 2 different electric vehicles in our factories today, so we know all about that. And when the time's right, and the applications there, the technology's there, we can put that into an RV when it's ready, when it's right. But there are other things that are coming out now. Hydrogen fuel cells and hydrogen-based engines that are in the roadmap out there, multiple years down the road. But when that technology is available, it'll be in the RVs when it's ready and when it's right.
So you're already looking way down the road.
Oh yeah, at least 10 years. Our product roadmap goes out quite a ways.
Okay. So well, you kind of maybe touched on my next question just a little bit, but I'm still going to ask it. So
go for it.
At NIRVC, we are all about the RV revolution, in meaning that we are always working hard to improve the industry for our customers, improve the experience for our customers. So what are you doing at FCCC to contribute to that RV revolution?
Yeah, so as I've already touched on a few things, so I don't necessarily sound like a broken record, but
it's okay.
But absolutely, the customer is everything for us. And so when we sell a chassis and a beautiful home gets put on top of that chassis, yes, we have 5-year warranty, so we've extended that to take some of the angst perhaps of somebody's investment. But beyond that, at FCCC, we will support and help that customer for the life of that coach, not just the first owner, second, or the third. Because again, it's about that experience. Somebody buys it and they want to go explore America and go to all the great parks and go out with their families and build these dreams and memories. And we want to be there to make sure that they can do that. So yes, everything's covered under the 5-year warranty, but even after that, if you break down alongside the road or you need help, you go into a dealer and you need support with service or parts or whatever, we're there. We're just a phone call away. We are really trying to build an organization at FCCC that is there to support that customer. So, the RV revolution, as you call it, for us we call it in our company, embracing the customer. It's about being there for the life of the product for that customer. And our team members are accessible to the customer. We have the 24/7 call center. And it's, the app that we just put out, that's for the customer.
I think
it doesn't benefit us in any way on that. It's all for the customer. And that's what we're trying to do. This is what I see this industry really needs and what our customers want.
It is. And, I was just talking with a customer this morning. They're looking at a new coach and we're talking chassis. And they mentioned that, their current coach is on a Freightliner chassis. And they're like, the one thing is anytime that we've had a problem and we've called, someone answers the phone. And isn't that, it's that little simple thing that they actually got a real live person.
In Gaffney, South Carolina. Let's bring that out because they are people, we don't outsource that. They are Freightliner custom chassis employees.
Which is huge.
Sitting at our factory, and it's our service network, and we staff those phones 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So if somebody wants to call us on Christmas, we will answer.
Yeah, that is.
Please don't if you don't need us. Give us a day off.
Give everyone a day with their family if possible.
Please,
but if
we're there.
Yeah, that's really huge. And coming straight from a customer, I thought that you would like that little bit of feedback. That was really part of their experience with FCCC is just knowing that you were a phone call away. So. Big deal. So
thank you for that.
Well, Jeff, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate your time today, visiting with us and being one of our guests here on RVU. I really appreciate you, being open with us about what you see for the future of RVs and for FCCC. So thank you so much.
My pleasure.
If you want to learn more about the topics that we've discussed today, make sure you check out the links in the episode description. Also, if you've enjoyed this podcast, make sure that you write a review, let us know what you thought about it, share it with your friends, and then make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a single episode. Make sure you tune into our next episode to see which industry expert, icon, or influencer is up next on our roll call. But for now, class is dismissed, and we'll see you down the road.